Let's be honest for a second. Nobody is going to tap you on the shoulder and tell you your outfit looks cheap, but I promise you, people are noticing. It's that subconscious energy someone radiates the moment they walk into a room, before they even open their mouth. The crazy part? It has almost nothing to do with how much you spent. I've seen people in $20 thrift finds look like they stepped off a runway, and I've seen people in $2,000 designer gear look like they got dressed in the dark. The difference isn't the price tag, it's the invisible architecture of the details. Today, I'm breaking down the 10 specific signs that your outfit is reading as low effort, and exactly how to fix them to look 10 times more expensive instantly. 1. The fit is fighting your frame. The biggest offender responsible for roughly 80% of outfits looking low-end is a poor fit that disrupts the natural lines of your body. Mass-market clothing is cut for a standard body that doesn't actually exist, which means if you wear it exactly as it comes off the rack, you are wearing someone else's proportions. You'll notice shirts pulling across the chest, creating horizontal stress lines, or trousers sagging in the seat and bunching at the ankles. To fix this, you must embrace the power of a tailor. Even basic $15 alterations can transform a garment. Aim for a clean break, where your trousers just touch the top of your shoe. Have the waist of your blouses taken in to remove excess tenting fabric at the back, and ensure your blazer sleeves are shortened to show exactly a 1/4 inch of your shirt cuff. These micro adjustments create a bespoke look where a $30 thrifted jacket that fits your shoulders perfectly will always look more expensive than a $3,000 designer piece that hangs awkwardly. 2. Synthetic fabrics that catch the light. One of the fastest ways to cheapen an outfit is wearing fabrics with a slightly shiny, plastic-looking sheen that reflects light in a strange, artificial way. This is usually the result of high-percentage polyester, nylon, or low-quality acrylic, which lacks the depth and soul of natural fibers. These materials drape poorly and break in sharp, ugly lines instead of soft, elegant folds, and they tend to pill after just a few washes. To solve this, you must become a label reader, prioritizing cotton, linen, silk, wool, and cashmere. Natural materials absorb light rather than bouncing it off, giving your outfit the soft, matte finish that is a hallmark of luxury. If you already own synthetics you love, you can ground them by pairing them with high-texture natural fabrics, like a heavy wool coat over a polyester dress, to neutralize the artificial sheen and make the entire ensemble feel more substantial and high-end. 3. The neglect signals, visible wear and tear. Neglect is the ultimate enemy of style because it suggests that the wearer doesn't value their own presentation. A $400 shirt with a frayed collar or a missing button looks significantly cheaper than a $20 shirt in pristine condition. Because we wear our favorites so often, we can develop closet blindness, failing to see the faded color on black denim, the pilling on knitwear, or the scuffed leather on our shoes. You need to perform a monthly wardrobe audit under bright light to catch these flaws early. Use a $12 fabric shaver to remove fuzz from your sweaters, which literally makes them look brand new in 60 seconds. You can also use a black fabric marker to touch up faded seams or scuffs on black leather. Most importantly, never underestimate the power of a steamer. Wrinkles make even the finest silk look like it was pulled off a pile on the floor. A handheld steamer is your best friend in maintaining that crisp, just-pressed luxury aesthetic. 4. Visual chaos and too much competition. Cheap style often confuses busy with interesting, leading to an outfit where too many elements are fighting for dominance. When you pair a loud graphic tee with printed trousers, a chunky chain, and bold sneakers, you create visual exhaustion that makes the viewer feel overwhelmed. High-end style is rooted in simplicity and the confidence to let one piece speak at a time. To fix this, apply the one-statement rule by picking a single hero for your outfit, be it a bold color, a unique texture, or a standout accessory, and let everything else be a supporting actor. If you have interesting structural trousers, keep the top neutral and tucked. If you have a striking jacket, keep your jewelry minimal. When you allow one element to shine, the entire outfit looks intentional, and intentionality is the primary language of expensive, high-status dressing. 5. Broken silhouette proportions. Proportions act as the invisible skeleton of an outfit, and when they are wrong, the whole structure feels off. A common mistake is wearing volume on volume, such as an oversized hoodie with baggy sweatpants, which hides your frame and makes the clothes look like they are wearing you. Incorrect proportions disrupt the golden ratio, often making the wearer look shorter or wider than they are. The secret to expensive-looking style is the contrast principle, where you balance volume with structure. If you are wearing baggy, relaxed jeans, you should tuck in a slim-fit top or add a structured blazer to anchor the look. If you are wearing flowy, wide-leg trousers, keep the top clean and slightly cropped to define the waist. By looking at your outfit as a silhouette first, you create a sense of poise and architectural balance that is universally associated with sophisticated, high-end fashion. 6. The logomania trap. There is a reason you rarely see logos plastered over truly expensive, old-money fashion. Logos are distracting and turn you into a walking advertisement. Leading with a brand name suggests that the label is the only interesting thing about the outfit, which actually sends a low-status signal to those in the know. To fix this, practice the solo logo by allowing only one branded piece per outfit maximum. The rest of your ensemble should be clean, unbranded, and neutral, which actually makes your budget pieces look premium by association. Truly wealthy style is quiet, focusing on the quality of the fabric and the precision of the cut rather than a printed name. By stripping away the visual noise of branding, you allow your own confidence and the silhouette of the clothing to be the statement, which is the ultimate marker of refined luxury taste. 7. Mismatched shoe energy and condition. Shoes are the period at the end of a sentence. They either resolve the look or leave it hanging. A major sign of a cheap outfit is wearing shoes that are mismatched in formality or, even worse, shoes that are dirty or salt-stained. Wearing a sharp, tailored blazer with beat-up gym sneakers creates a disconnected energy that feels like an accident rather than a choice. Remember that dirty shoes are the fastest way to ruin even a $10,000 outfit. You need to establish environmental agreement, ensuring your shoes match the formality of your clothes. You don't need 100 pairs. You just need 5 hero pairs kept in immaculate condition. Clean white leather sneakers, simple leather loafers, a neutral block heel, a structured leather boot, and a sleek flat. Clean your shoes after every wear, because a polished, affordable shoe will always look more expensive than a dirty designer one. 8. Accidental color chaos. Color is a powerful tool, but clashing shades or too many competing colors create a cheapened effect that looks unharmonious and rushed. When your colors don't share the same temperature, like accidentally mixing cool-toned grays with warm-toned beiges, the outfit looks disjointed. Excessive color can also distract from your face and make the outfit look more like a costume than a curated look. To fix this, use the 60-30-10 rule. 60% of your outfit should be a dominant neutral base, 30% a secondary shade, and 10% an accent color. You can also try tonal dressing, which involves wearing different shades of the same color family, like oatmeal, cream, and tan. This creates a column of light that makes you look taller, calmer, and more expensive. When color works with you instead of fighting you, the entire aesthetic is instantly elevated. 9. Neglected and distracting accessories. Accessories are meant to be the finishing touch, but if they are tarnished, greening, or missing stones, they become a warning signal of poor quality. Because accessories are what people see when they get close to you, small details like a sagging bag that has lost its shape or a peeling belt matter immensely. The problem isn't necessarily cheap accessories, it is neglected ones. To maintain a high-end look, prioritize quality over quantity and maintain your pieces religiously. Store your bags stuffed with tissue paper to maintain their structure and store jewelry in a dry place to prevent oxidation. If an accessory is adding to your outfit, keep it. If it's there out of habit but looks worn out, take it off. A clean, accessory-free outfit is always more elegant and expensive-looking than one cluttered with low-quality, damaged, or distracting hardware. 10. The unstyled look, wrinkles, and neglect. The most impactful yet overlooked sign that an outfit is cheap is simply that the clothes are wrinkled or unstyled. You can have the perfect fit, the finest wool, and a beautiful color palette. But if your clothes look like they were just pulled off the floor, the luxury is gone. Wrinkles visually communicate, "I didn't try." And in the world of fashion, intentionality is everything. A beautifully steamed $15 shirt will always look more expensive than a crumpled $200 one. You must wear the clothes, not just put them on. Spend 30 extra seconds in the mirror, checking the alignment of your collar, rolling your sleeves neatly to the mid-forearm, and ensuring your tuck is straight and defined. These micro-styling decisions are the final polish that separates a truly sophisticated person from someone who looks like an afterthought. Looking polished and expensive is not about the size of your bank account. It's about the level of intentionality you bring to your appearance. When you master these 10 details, you stop wearing a costume and start wearing a statement. Remember, true elegance is a choice made in the small things. If these fixes inspired you to look at your wardrobe with fresh eyes, please like this video, share it with a friend who is ready for a style refresh, and subscribe for more deep dives into ageless elegance. Let me know in the comments, which of these 10 signs was your biggest light bulb moment? I'll see you in the next one.